Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, April the 27th. Let's get started. Okay, first thing first, looking at forex factories today, Monday 27th down here. No news, so we're good to go. We're going on our M&Q charts. Today is April 27th, and we're going to start with the daily. So, looks like we're trending up. We're in a bullish trend. It's been that way for a while now. Look. It's been bullish for a while. So let's mark out our previous day highs and lows. So our previous day high was already taken out this morning. Previous day low, we can mark out. Then let's drop down to the 4 hour. If we see any internal key levels that can be marked. Get rid of some of these old entries from last week. All right, right now, off the bat, I don't see any key levels. That we haven't marked out already. Some of these were already marked out, so. All right, so drop down to the 1 hour. We're gonna mark out our previous session highs and lows. So we're still in London. We can still mark that out though. So London low. London high. Looks like that low is about to get taken out, but it's all right. We'll mark it anyway. London high. What is this? Asia. Asia high. Asia low. Low. Okay, Asia low. Oh, low was. Where's low? Oh, it looks like, okay, this level's, so let me get rid of this London high because that was already taken out. Get rid of this old entry, and then I can see my Asia low, so mark that out. The Asia low goes right there. Okay. New York high was already taken out by Asia. New York low. We can mark that, so New York low. That would be the low from Friday. Okay, so we have then this London already taken out there. Okay. Move some of these down some. Extend the lines. All right. So it looks like we have our levels marked out for today. Now we're going to check to see if we see any internal key levels on this time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. Taking a quick look, I don't see any. Right? Yeah, I don't see any as of right now. Okay. All the ones I see we already marked out. All right, so we're going to drop down to the 30 minutes, see if we see any key levels here. Again, get rid of any old entries that are on our chart. Those would have been from last week, and I just didn't remove them yet. Again, no key levels to mark out. Okay, go to 5 minutes and start marking out some entries. So there are a bunch of bearish fair value gaps, meaning that we would take longs off of them. So again, we're doing 30 point take profit and a 15-point stop loss. So this, no, we can't take it because you see some fair value gaps are going through it. So let's see if we can do any of these. No. Okay, up here we can do. Okay, is there a key level? Above to target? No, there isn't, so we'll just stick with 30. That's it for the bearish. There's some bullish fair value gaps down here, so let's see if there's any room for any shorts. We can possibly take a short right there. And we can target. So when you're taking longs or shorts or entering an entry, you can, like typically we do this 30-point take profit, but you can also target the next fair value gap or the next key level. So in this instance, we could target this key level. But for right now, I'm just going to leave it at 30. But what I'm going to do is more than likely do a trailing stop loss. Once I get to the 30, I'll keep going, you know? Or maybe actually not, because remember I'm in my evaluation phase and they don't want you making too much profit at one time. So actually I may just stick with 30 for now. But once I get funded, that's something that I would definitely do. Okay, let's see. I can probably take this short. Yeah. And this one as well. So if price ever gets this low, then these are my entries that I can take for my 30-point take profit. And if it continues going up, I can target this long. Alright, so I discussed this last week. I upped my contract size to 4 contracts, from 4 to 6 contracts. And that's fine as long as I, can maintain that level of profit each time. I should be okay with the consistency rule. So currently, okay, it's 9:04. We have about 26 minutes until market opens. My current balance in this account is $50,711. All right, so let's see what the day holds. I'll be back later once the market gets to be close to one of these levels that I've already marked out. Okay. Okay, so we have a few seconds left to this candle closes. Looks like it's definitely gonna inverse this fair value gap so we can enter. Our entry was set right here, but even if I can enter here, I would still be good. Let's see. Okay, so we're in the trade. Let's see what happens. We have a 15 stop loss and 30 take profit. Okay, so unfortunately we got stopped out. So let's see, had I waited for it to get back up here, let's see if it would have played out better for us. I just want to wait a little bit and see. Okay, so I know I'm sure I have gotten in, but I did it anyway. I just want to see if it'll play out. I should have at least waited till this candle closed before I entered, but I didn't. A few more seconds left, let's see what happens. This was super impulsive and not a part of my strategy at all. And this is not something I should have done. And there you see, when you don't follow the strategy, things like this happens. I just didn't follow it. I don't know, my emotions gave in and lost 2 trades in a row. Terrible. This is what you call gambling. Like normally, as long as you follow the strategy, it's following the strategy. You win some, you lose some. However, what I just did was 1,000,000% gambling, and you should never do that. Like this is not the forum to do that type of thing. So today I lost $233.20. Set me back down to now I'm only at $50,477.80, which is terrible because remember my drawdown is 2,000 and they take the 2,000 from your highest profit. So I believe my highest profit was at about 50,800. So that means that the most I can get down to without blowing my evaluation account is 48,800, right? Because whatever your highest day is 2,000 from that number. So yeah. So okay, we're gonna make it happen. I just, I say it all the time, but sometimes when you're in the trade, you let emotions get over, and you know, silly me, I allowed that to happen. And it was way past my time. Look, it's already 11:31, and I'm supposed to stop trading at 11. So lesson learned. And this is not the first time, so obviously I haven't learned my lesson, but I need to learn the lesson. Stick to the strategy. All right. See you tomorrow, hopefully for a better and a winning day.